Lampang ke Yindra Thawai Kachala uba Metbah lingdo ha ka jinran lang umetrang ba Kachala Conrad ke sangma hene ke singi Ïakynduh Lampang ka Lok Sabha Birla ban pesngo ha halo ka jintre ka badang ya chakmat bante ya ka Yindra Thawai ka thamai ka bahamau deng diang ha ka ni ka Ïakynduh na ka liang Lampang Kachala uba Metbah lingdo ula pesngo halo ka jingdon kam ban yo ya ka jingram na ka sawar kami ka balakarpat Lampang ka Lok Sabha ba penyekren lang.
This morning, me and the Honorable Chief Minister, Conrad, we met the Honorable Speaker of the Lok Sabha, and this is the second time that we are meeting him to update about the progress of the construction of the new assembly building in the state. And we have apprised him about the difficulties and constraints that the state government has faced, and Honorable Chief Minister has briefed him the entire problems that we have, and stress on the need that the central government intervention is very much needed at this hour to ensure that the completion of this assembly building construction will be on time.
Hakaju upar Lampang ulapentep bama ubat mitrang ba kila kerpat ru Lampang ka Lok Sabha ba unwan syakani kejela. Habai dei bat kani ba Metbah ulapentep ba Lampang ka Lok Sabha bat ula manwan haka absen trek ne ka trek urampang.
Over and above this, we invited the Honorable Speaker to come and visit our state, and he told us that he will be arranging some special program from the Lok Sabha office, and where tentative date has been fixed around 25th or 26th of this February. So the final date will be informed to us in very short time, so that all preparation and whatever needed, that will be done to ensure that we welcome the Honourable Speaker whenever he visits our state.